Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. As we know that we are solving crack SQL interview in 50 questions series on LeetCode, and today is day 13 of this series, and 13th problem in this series is managers with at least 5 direct reports. Now let's check out this problem. As we can see here, this is LeetCode problem number 570, and here we have been given a table that is employee named, and it has 4 columns. First one is ID, name, department and manager ID. Here employee ID is the primary key, that means column with unique values for this table, and each row of this table indicates the name of an employee, their department and ID of their manager. And if manager ID is null, then the employee does not have a manager, and no employee will be the manager of themselves. And in this problem we have to write a solution to find manager with at least 5 direct reports. That means we have to find the managers who are being reported by 5 direct employees, and we can return the resultant table in any order. And here is the example that has been given to us. So we know that our task is to find the managers who have at least 5 direct reports, and looking at the example we can see that employee John ID with ID 101 manages 5 employees, that means Dan, James, Amy, Anne and Ron. So the output should be John. And now how do we write a query to get this result? The plan is simple, like we will group employees by manager ID to count their direct reports, and filter only those managers who have 5 or more reports, and then return their names. So let's write the SQL query to solve this problem, and we will select e dot name, like we have to return the name of those employees, and from employee table, okay, employee table as e, and then join employee m on e dot employee id equal to m dot manager id, and then we will be creating the group by e dot id comma e dot name also, and we will also use the having count of m dot id less greater or equal to 5, and that should be our resultant query. So let's break it down, this query, and here we can see that join between employee on employee m on e dot id is equal to m dot manager id. This joins the employee table to itself to get the list of managers and their reports. And here this group by is used for we group the data by manager id and name, so that we can count how many employees report to them. And then we are using having function. This filter out the only the managers who have at least 5 direct reports. Now let's run this query and check if it passes the test case or not. As we can see here, we get John as the manager with at least 5 direct reports. Now we will try to submit this problem and check the results for all the test cases that are going to appear in this problem. And here we can see that our query has been accepted and it passes all the test cases that are present in this problem. So that's how we solve the problem. We used SQL joins, grouping and filtering to find the managers with at least 5 direct reports. We hope you found this solution and concept were clear. In case you are new here, or this is the first time you are watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more SQL tips and tricks. And please do not forget to comment down with your thoughts on or any questions do you have. If you got any other method to solve this problem more easily, then please do not forget to comment it. Thank you for watching.